You better be outside on Monday night. You can grab a date, grab your friends, go by yourself, but you better be outside. Because Jupiter will be the closest it's been to Earth in 59 years, and it won't be this close again for another 107 years. Not only that, Jupiter is also in opposition, which means that Jupiter and the Sun are on opposite sides of Earth, which already makes it appear brighter and larger. Opposition and the closest approach happening at the same time is incredibly rare. It will be so bright that aside from the moon, Jupiter will be the brightest object in the sky, so it's really easy to spot and you can see it all night. Jupiter will only be about 590 million kilometers away, which is incredibly close compared to its farthest distance of 965 million kilometers away. And the best part about all of this is that you don't need a telescope. Even if you have binoculars, you should be able to see the stripes on Jupiter's surface, and you should be able to see 3 or 4 of Jupiter's moons.
In just 5 days, Jupiter will be the closest to Earth that we will get to see in our lifetime. The gas giant has not been this close in 60 years, and it won't be this close for another 107 years. You do not need any special astronomy equipment, as you can view this planet with the naked eye. But according to NASA, if you have a good pair of binoculars, you'll be able to see Jupiter's 4 largest moons. To view this planet, you need to look between sunset and midnight on September 26th. Look in the east direction, and the brightest star that you see in your field of view is Jupiter. It's as simple as that.
Tomorrow, NASA is going to smash a rocket into an asteroid to move it off course in an attempt to save the Earth. NASA's DART spacecraft is going to slam into this small asteroid at a speed of 6.6 kilometers per second. That is nearly 20 times the speed of sound. Importantly, this space rock isn't heading for the Earth. This mission is just to test whether smashing an asteroid off course is even possible. Currently, we don't really have any way to defend ourselves from an asteroid heading to destroy the Earth. And I mean, look how that turned out for the dinosaurs. You'll be able to watch it all live online, and I'll post an update after the event. So if you want to stay updated, please drop me a follow.
Why would NASA hide this astronaut's terrifying story? Leroy Chiao, an American astronaut who served as the International Space Station's commander for 6 months in 2005, has stated on record that it would be the height of conceit to think that we are the only species operating in the stars. He was working on the International Space Station, 230 miles above the planet, installing antennas and radio gear when he saw something that puzzled him. He claimed to have seen a line of lights that were arranged like an upside-down Nike swoosh, even though he was an experienced astronaut. "I saw them all fly by, and I thought it was rather unusual," he told the press. What was it that Chiao might have seen up there? And why was it so difficult to explain?
One of the brightest stars in the night sky will explode very soon, and when it does, you will be able to see it during the day. This is Betelgeuse, one of the most famous stars in the night sky due to its bright red glow. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope was looking at the star when it noticed something weird. It ejected a huge amount of its surface. Now, we have never observed something like this before, and it has led people to believe that it could be ready to blow any day now. When it does go supernova and explode, it will look a little something like this from the Earth. Betelgeuse is around 500 light years away, so technically it could have already blown up. Lucky for us, we are outside of the danger zone. If we were just 450 light years closer, it could be the end of us. In the future, our galaxy, the Milky Way, will smash into another galaxy, sending stars and planets into chaos. In around 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way will smash into the nearest galaxy, Andromeda. This will form a new massive galaxy named Milkdromeda. The supermassive black holes at the heart of both galaxies will meet and begin a cosmic dance, potentially colliding, releasing more energy than every star in the universe combined. While this does sound scary, there is one thing that you could look forward to. Our night sky will then feature an entire gorgeous galaxy stretching across the horizon. Every night will look like something out of a movie, and I would love to see it. I have breaking space news. NASA just announced the discovery of 2 new super-Earth planets that could potentially support life. The first super-Earth orbits in the habitable zone around its star, meaning liquid water could exist on its surface. If the planet has the other important ingredients to create life, it could be like Earth, but way bigger. This planet is 40% larger than Earth and could have entire continents bigger than all the land on Earth combined. JWST has plans to observe these planets very soon to check for signs of life, so I will keep you updated.
But my gravity centered, touch my neck and I'll touch yours. You and those